And here is Garrett getting his stuff ready. I'm gonna go over and help him like good buddies do. I haven't got my tank on yet, but it's sitting right here below me. Now hopefully all these boats and all this activity hasn't obscured the visibility. We'll find out here in a minute. Ready, Garrett? All this boat activity, look at all that.
Sure,
but
we're
still heading for where the dual prop airplane, the Cessna dual prop, is at. And we're getting closer. You can see the white buoy maybe right about there. So anyway, there's many ways to swim across the surface: on your back, without your snorkel, on your belly, with your snorkel. Yep, we're getting a lot closer to the airplane. It's supposed to be right underneath that buoy. This fisherman, this brother, has lost a fishing rod holder off his unit, and we're going to take a look. Everything okay? Ears won't clear? Alright. When ears won't clear, we have to get it right. We don't keep diving. Ocean or what? Wow, there are really a lot of boats up here. So what do you want to do? You want to go see if the boat's straight out here? It's pretty deep. I don't know. I mean, not the boat, the airplane. How much air do you have? No, I've got a lot. I've still got 25. I mean, no, I've got 2250.
I got
2250.
just a hair over, probably 21.
Okay. It's
100 degrees right now.
It's amazing how much
Incredible.
how much 30 feet will do when it gets
Yeah,
I don't know what the temperature change is.
I don't know, but it's a lot nicer right now. I mean, when you're right about that time, that feels really nice.
So we sure want to get that airplane.
Oh, I want to get the airplane. Where's that airplane?
Man, we were supposed
So
to
you
be.
think the
Here's the buoy.
You
They
think that
said.
boy,
He said it's right next to that buoy between the two rocks.
between these two rocks or between these two rocks?
Oh, the island, and so what do you want? You want to keep going, head out, straight down, and then that way, huh?
Well, where can they not go? Where can the boats not go?
That's it, right there. No boats beyond that. They can't go past that bridge. Yeah, maybe in here too. You're right. You want to just take off this way?
Okay,
I'll follow you again.
let's see if it can clear up. I don't know.
If it doesn't clear, we can't dive. We'll clear up. How's it going, guys?